Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. It is 5-in-1 wireless charger. It says smartphone, earphone, stopwatch, lamp, alarm clock. That's what it looks like. And here's inputs, output, specs. See, manual. Okay, button cell. This is CR2032. Charging brick. This one is 18 watts, quick charge. Here's the alarm clock charging stand. There's some buttons here, up, down, manual, on and off. There's a light button. So there's nothing here. Display here. Charging for your phones. And then for your watch right here. Then in between, there's one for your phone or your AirPods. There's another button here. A USB-C here, and then a USB-A out for your other devices. And that's it. If you are interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.